We're back here again with Brian from Weber Automotive. And Brian, obviously this goes without saying, your engine is pretty much the heart of your car. If it doesn't work, you don't go. So what engine repair costs the most? If something does happen and you got to get fixed, what's the engine repair that's going to cost the most?
The one that anytime you've got to get inside of it, really major disassembly, very expensive.
Yeah.
So typically what we see is the most expensive is oil failure related. Either someone didn't change their oil on time, neglected that, and or ran it out of oil. It uses oil because it's been neglected, so now it consumes it and there's nothing on dipstick and it locks up. That's major.
Have you seen that much? That's out of oil, like just locking up.
Oh yeah, yeah. We have.
You got to be falling asleep at the wheel for that one, don't you?
It's bad. It's bad and it's very expensive. The other one is if the engine overheats. The cooling system goes bad, the hose blows or it leaks, something leaks out, and they just run it until it doesn't run anymore.
Yeah.
Because that heat is so intense and so dramatic, and it warps components and just does some things. And both of those in their more severe situations, the engines aren't even repairable. It's put another one in it.
All right, that's
very expensive.
Yeah, well, so you want to keep your oil changed. You want to make sure your coolant is up to snuff too. Hey, and you know what? If you're not on the website right now, head there, WeberAutomotive.com, because we just did another video about oils and about changing them a little earlier than sometimes they're recommended.
Absolutely.
And according to Brian here, you might get over 200,000 miles to your car if you do so. And he's seen a lot of cars. So check it out right now, WeberAutomotive.com. Couldn't get that out of my mouth. Glad I finally did. Check it out right now, and you'll learn a whole lot of things. And as always, thanks a lot, Brian.
Thanks,
Appreciate it.